everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you today, and this is a piece that just recently came out. Obviously, as you can tell from the box, it is a Louis Vuitton. I did pick up an SLG recently. This particular piece is really in thanks to Foxy LV on Instagram. She has one of the best accounts to preview upcoming pieces from Louis Vuitton. I have had the opportunity to pick up now, this is my second piece that I've picked up because she previews, posts things that are coming in. My previous Alma BB in the Vernis was a piece that I saw on her channel and was able to message my CA Char, and she was wonderful enough to get that piece for me, and she was able to secure this one for me as well. So I really want to thank both of them because they have allowed me to, you know, get a better idea of what's coming up, figure out what I like, and then obviously obtain it. So let's go ahead and get this baby opened. So we've got our lovely little pouch, and this is, whoops, pretty nice and secure there. This is the Recto Verso in the Damier bean with the rose ballerine. Here we've got the information. Get that. So if you can see, that has the QR code as well as the item number. And our coated fabric, cowhide leather. And as you can see, it does have the slip pocket here, as well as 3 other credit card slots. It has the pouch where you can put some coins or cash in with the rose ballerine leather interior. And then when you unzip it, you have again the rose ballerine interior, as well as a nice little keychain. You can use this to hook on a key, as well as to hook this piece onto your bag, onto a D-ring in your Neverfull. Pretty simple, one of the more recent SLGs to come out, and I'm really happy that they decided to make one in the rose ballerine. There was also one, I believe, in was it the cherry color or the berry color, or maybe it was a fuchsia, that also came out along with this one. But this goes along with my 6-ring key holder and my Rosalie coin purse in the rose ballerine, as well as my Neverfull in the rose ballerine. So I'm excited to have a set that all matches. Thanks for joining me for this really quick unboxing. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing and hitting that thumbs up button to like this video. I appreciate all your support, and I hope you're all staying safe and well. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.